Hello everyone, it's 16th December. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Indian Express newspaper. On the first page we have law says only local officials can issue notice to elections in Bihar. AC sent pre-filed notices, again very important for policy and governance perspective. Then we have government changes NREG terms, states to pay pause for farm work, again very important. Then we have AQI chorus as Delhi CM arrives for messy event amid spike in air pollution, again very important for environment perspective. Moving forward, we have 3 days and counting. Delhi gasps in severe air pollution, again very important for environment perspective. Then we have some Noida schools go online, some hybrid, but a few have to shut down. Again very important. Then we have in Delhi pollution hotspot. Many do not have the work from home option. Again very important for environment perspective. Moving forward, we have standoff looming over Nehru papers. Sonia tells Prime Minister museums her staff will look into it. Again very important for policy and governance perspective. Moving forward, we have the editorial page where we have Abondi Beach, an older question: how must open societies respond to terror? Again, very important for terror perspective, security perspective. Moving forward, we have how Madhya Pradesh got the last of its Maoists tracking the 1 year push. Again, very important. Moving forward, we have 20 years on a radical revamp of the rural job framework. Again, very important for in my economic perspective. Then we have Australia showed up gun laws after 69 tragedy in faces of fresh reckoning. Again, very important for international relations perspective. And then we have the economy page where we have N-Power Bill introduced, permits PV private operators, limits supplier liability, again very important. Then we have goods exports in November jumped 19%, again very important for economic perspective. Moving forward, lastly, we have the world page where we have Australia to tighten gun laws after Hanukkah massacre. Then we have manhunt renews for Brown University, shooter after person of internet release. All these news are very important for international relations perspective. Lastly, we have militant groups are experimenting with AI and risks are expected to grow. Again, very important for science and tech as well as international relations perspective. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.